So street lighting, in this we are having the poles, structure poles, that is especially we know that steel tubular poles are generally we are using for street light scheme. Then these poles are especially from road ends 1.5 meter at a distance. Base of pole, that is concrete platform. Then earthing, all poles are perfectly earthed. Earth wire should be carried out through GI pipe for the protection. Then you may have the base plate, mild steel 30 by 30 by 1 centimeter, that is provided at the base for supporting structure. You are having the terminal box containing fuse, neutral link and earth terminal. You may have that wires from terminal box to the through the pipe going to the tube connection or going to the lamp connection. You may have street lighting, particularly for park, for roads, for streets, for bridges. They are provided with such type of schemes. Electric Supply Authority used or electricity board used to maintain the profession, or sometimes you may have the municipal corporation maintaining this. All these lighting schemes come under the category of street lighting. And electric supply of 3-phase 4-wire system, that is 3-phase 415 volt AC supply, that is given. You may have load is balanced. You can connect balanced load between RNN, YNN, DNN equally for single phase to 30 volt distribution. You may have single phase supply, particularly all street lights. The structure it is shown in this. You might be showing you are observing this diagram, yes or no? So what I told you. So all things, all parameters, you must be able to draw a good diagram of street light pole and explain all these components on particularly this street light. Right from the base, so you are having the incoming cables over here. You may 3-phase 3-wire system from which you are having single phase distribution, balance distribution. This particular pole is buried into the ground. You are having the base plate that is provided for supporting structure, iron plate which is here at the bottom. Then you are having the concrete foundation. When you are putting the sheet pole, you are having the concrete foundation that provided for giving the more civil rigidity. This is very important. So what I told you, this structure that it must be perfectly based on now how much is the portion, how much is the portion that is to be buried in the ground. We have seen last time. So normally this is around 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter you are inserting into the ground. Then you are having this concrete foundation. Then you are having the terminal box for connecting the lamp to the circuit. So wires are coming over here, supply is coming over in terminal box. In terminal box it is connected. It is with fuse, it is with neutral link and all. It is connected to lamp. Okay. So you may have these wires, it is running through this. You may have tube provided, you may have lamp provided. As on today, especially we are going for LED lamps. So this is simple structure of street light pole. Any doubt? मी विचारलंय, प्रश्न आहे का, शंका आहे का? काहीच प्रोव्हिजन करण्याची गरज नाही. ॲज पर स्टँडर्ड यू मस्ट डू दिस फाउंडेशन. ओके. This concrete foundation along with base plate, हे कॉन्क्रीट सुद्धा स्टँडर्ड आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये किती कोणत्या लेवलचं कॉन्क्रीट घ्यायचं स्टँडर्डमध्ये ते सुद्धा त्याचं ठरलेलं स्टँडर्ड आहे. किती प्रमाणात त्या कॉन्क्रीट मिक्सचर असावं साधारणतः the portion of cement, then mortar, then sand and all this. So what you are doing, that must be as per the IS standard. याचं एक स्टँडर्ड दिलेलं आहे आणि सफिशियंट डेप्थ. ओके, एवढं सगळं केलं की काही होत नाही. आणि सफिशियंट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ पोल. समजा हे फाउंडेशन खूप स्ट्रॉंग केलेलं आहे तुम्ही, पोलची विकनेस, पोल मेकॅनिकली मस्ट बी स्ट्रॉंग. पोलवर किती लोड आहे, accordingly pole must be designed. Normally what happens, to reduce the cost, the curtailment in the cost, to do the curtailment in the cost, there are many excuses. आणि हे एक्सक्यूज काही वेळेला काहीच होत नाही म्हणून काय चालतं. यू माइट हॅव सीन दॅट न्यू पोल्स आर बेंडेड. साधा छोटा थोडासा वारा आला की नवीन पोल वाकडे होऊन जातात, किंवा दे आर डायरेक्टली कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम दिस ग्राउंड. So keep in mind, this is because of only the low quality work. So being engineer, you must think of economy definitely, but that economical work or the cost reduction should not lead to the entire failure of your design. Okay, you must have the perfect design with lowest cost, with optimal cost. That is the aim of engineer. लक्षात ठेवा, हे सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं आहे. Even in every work, not only the electrical work, in civil work, any type of work, you must think of the quality. जर तुम्ही as per standard काम केलं तर normally the standards are designed as per the conditions. सगळ्या conditions consider करून standard ठरवलेलं असतं. Okay? Exceptional case may be there, but there may not be a large failure. Okay? So you are having this, then you are having particularly the street light. Street light is also, it is energy consuming devices. So the energy consumed, okay, maybe it is particularly on behalf of local body. That may be a Gram Panchayat, that may be a municipal corporation, that may be a Panchayat Samiti, that may be any local body. So they are especially responsible for paying the charges for the street light on behalf of the people of that city. So especially for it is for public use. So electric light sources that you can use in street light, various types of lamps. I told you here tube light is used. So earlier we were using tube lights, now we are not using tube lights. We are either using the CFL, LED. Now especially we are going for LED. So earlier we were having the sodium lamps, incandescent lamp, we were having the mercury vapor lamps, we were having the fluorescent tube lights, we may having the LED lamps now newly coming with pattern of low wattage and high illumination. That is very important. Under you know that there is a one government scheme that I told you, Jawaharlal Nehru urban development scheme. So it is applicable to even all municipal corporations in India. So under this scheme, all conventional tube or conventional lamps or conventional what we can say sources of lamp, they are now replaced by LED lamps with low wattage and high luminaries, right? Then street lighting scheme and its design is very important. Some points that to be considered while designing the street light. So luminous intensity should be uniform. Just I told you, throughout the street you must have uniform illumination. It should not happen that some dark spots are there, because of normally we are having the street light for illuminating the street, and you must have everything visible. Then distance between two poles should not less than 30 meter. Keep in mind, less or equal to 30 to 35 meters normally distance is specified for a particular street light. This between two poles or between two lights. Then all crossings and turns should provided with street light points. म्हणजे normally whenever we are having the crossing on the load, or we may have the turns on the load, जरी त्या ठिकाणी समजा तुमचं 35-30 मीटर हे जे स्पेसिफाईड डिस्टन्स आहे, if that criteria doesn't get followed, every corners, every crossing must be provided with light. Then height of lamp should uniform, म्हणजे you must have all lamps of uniform height. एक लॅम्प 9 मीटरचा आहे, दुसरा 10 मीटरचा आहे, तिसरा 8 मीटरचा आहे, चौथा 12 मीटरचा आहे. So like this it should not be there. And then height of illumination and fitting should based on their spacing. So suppose some by height of illumination, that particularly based on the spacing and nature of load, which type of load is there, and what should be the height, because of if you have a small spacing and between two poles, then normally you may have sufficient height of particularly the lamp. But sometimes you have to adjust the height of lamp so that you will have uniform illumination, or if you have uniform height of all lamps provided on the poles, then you will have again uniform illumination. So anyway, you must have the uniform illumination throughout the street. That concept that particular requirement must be get fulfilled. Okay, then statements may be drawn along with the distribution line. Many times we don't have the separate street lights, so you may have statements, that is a distribution line, it is provided overhead, and we are having the main lines that is provided on the pole itself. Especially it is expected that street light scheme must be underground as far as possible, but it is very costly. For some metros and other cities we are having the underground street light, but in some of the cities like Ahmednagar or town places, we are having the street light which is overhead street light scheme, and you know that we are having many problems of this. When we are having the overhead system, naturally we are having lot of problems. Many times many problems are there. So always keep in mind that this statements, that is हेलो, फोन घे ना तो. अरे फोन घेऊन जा तो. तो फोन घेऊन जा तिकडे. का दररोज लेक्चरच्या वेळेला फोन येतो?
तुमचा असला मग
असू दे, कोणाचं, तिला घेऊन जा. जरा सांगून दे, तिथे काय भजी तळीत नाहीत माणसं.